Now coming lecture number 2. So the glucose produced as food after photosynthesis is sent to different parts of the plant through the steam, and some of this is used by plant. This is first point. And some of these mean to say glucose, some of this food is used by plant to grow. Okay, whatever foods are in the plant, it is in the form of glucose, and the rest is stored in different parts of the plant in the form of starch. Okay, means some it is used by their branches, some food absorbed by leaves, some food absorbed by stem, some food absorbed by fruit, some food absorbed by birds, some food absorbed by flowers. So they just stored it. Some plants have parts that are specially modified to store food. For example, the carrot is a modified root, and the potato is a modified stem that stores starch. Yes, some plants that are specially modified to store food. Some plants have specially modified to store food, like carrot is a modified root, and the potato is a modified stem that stores starch. In these plants, what happens? The carrot absorbs all the starch, because we used to eat carrot only, potato also we used to eat all the potato. That's why it is eatable still, and they store all the starch. So now this is over. After that, we will move to functions of a leaf. Okay, functions of a leaf. What are the functions of a leaf? First is, a green leaf is the kitchen of a plant. It makes food for the plant by carrying out photosynthesis. First, that green leaves is the kitchen of a plant. Kitchen, like in our kitchen, there is utensils are there, gas, cylinder, all the spices are there. So that leaves actually is the kitchen of the plant. Without green leaves, food will be not prepared. That's why we say green leaves is the green leaf is the kitchen of a plant. Why it is called kitchen of a plant? Because it makes food for the plant. By carrying out a process that is called photosynthesis. Next is, The plant carries out the exchange of gases with air through stomata that are present on the underside of the leaves. Yes, the plant carries out the exchange of gases which is present in the stomata. Stomata means a tiny hole or tiny pores from which plants take out the gas. Okay, air. So plants carry out the exchange of gases with air through the stomata that are present on the underside of the leaves. Okay, now next point. Some plants have leaves that are modified to store food. Some plants have leaves that are modified to store foods. Plants, for example, onion and even to catch insects for food are feature plants. Okay. Some plants have leaves that are modified to store food, example onion, and even catch insects, catch such even to catch insects for food. Example is teacher plant. Okay. So this is the function of a leaf. Again I am explaining. Green leaf. This is known as the kitchen of a plant. Without green leaves, food will be not prepared for the plant. And it makes food for the plant by carrying out photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Which involves for photosynthesis by which green leaves use light to convert carbon dioxide and water into food. That is known as photosynthesis. Now, plants carry out the exchange of gases with air through stomata that are present on the underside of the leaf. Yes, for making the foods, plants need air also. Without air, if any one of the material will also not present, food will be not prepared. Yeah, for preparing food, they need air also, light also, and water also. So they get air through the stomata that are present on the underside of the leaves. So here also the important work of leaves is there. Now next, some plants have leaves that are modified to store food. Example onion. Okay, and even to catch insects for food. Example pitcher plant. Here insects work as a food for the pitcher plant. So function of the leaf is completed. In next classes, I will go for page number 70. Interdependence of plants and animals. How plants and animals are dependent on each other. So that I will explain next classes. So for now, goodbye to all of you.